Are you looking for fast ways to reduce belly fat naturally without any side effects? You have tried a lot of recipes, both online and offline, and yet there are no visible results. Then look no further. Guys, welcome back to my channel, the Don't Get Recipe channel, where you get natural homemade recipes for a healthy living and improved lifestyle. Please be sure to click on that subscribe button in order to get subscribed to my channel and turn on post notification to get notified every single time that I post a new recipe. One of the ingredients for today's recipe is cucumber. Cucumber are green garden vegetables. Technically, they are fruit, okay? They're from the same family as watermelon and pumpkins, but most people consider them vegetables. We also have ginger. Gingerol, a natural component of ginger root, benefits gastrointestinal motility, which is the rate at which food exits the stomach and continues along the digestive process. For today's recipe, we won't be using a full cucumber. I've cut one cucumber into two and we'll be using one part. Also, I will be peeling the back of the ginger. Well, most persons say it is actually of no use to peel the back because the back is also as nutritious as the other part of the ginger, but then I'm used to peeling the back, okay? So forgive me for this. And the last ingredient is the lemon, which I'll be cutting into two also, and I'll be using one part. So guys, get your grater ready because we are going to be grating these three powerful ingredients into a very special recipe that is going to blast that belly fat beyond your imagination. Okay, now if you eat too much and exercise too little, you are likely to have excess weight and belly fat. Now therein lies the problem. I know you find it rather difficult to exercise, but then you eat almost anything and everything that comes your way. Now don't get me wrong, belly fat is not only attributed to eating too much or inadequate exercise. Some persons naturally have belly fat, like they are naturally obese. They have fat in them naturally. So this has nothing to do with eating too much. Okay, make sure you try this recipe out because it's going to help you a lot, believe me when I say so. All that water in cucumber can keep you hydrated. We all know that cucumber consists of over 90% of water, plus the fiber boost they give you can help you avoid constipation. The vitamin K helps blood clot and keep your bones healthy. Vitamin A has many jobs like helping vision, the immune system, the reproduction. It also makes sure organs like your heart, your lungs, and your kidney work the way they should. The lingers may also prevent heart disease and some cancer. In case you don't know, cucumber also consists antioxidants such as beta carotene that help fight disease, repair damaged cells, and can also lead to disease. Now it is time to grate our ginger. Like I said earlier, that gingerol is a natural component of ginger root that benefits gastrointestinal motility, which is the rate at which food exits the stomach and continues along the digestive process, which ends in the toilet where you eventually pass out feces. Eating ginger encourages efficient digestion, so food doesn't linger or for too long in the gut, thereby helping to relieve belly fat while also reducing gas. The gas that you pass out, okay, that pollutes the air. That is the kind of gas I'm talking about. If you live with chronic indigestion, also called dyspepsia, I hope I pronounced that correctly, ginger could bring some relief. Okay, I'm not a doctor, okay, so pardon me if I don't pronounce these medical terms or medical words correctly. Ginger before meals may make your system empty faster, leaving less time for food to sit and cause problems. That kind of problems of constipation, of indigestion, of gas. Ginger helps relieve this. One small recent study suggested that ginger may help your body use insulin better, like it may help control blood sugar. Guys, are you seeing the important benefit of ginger? A lot. Lemons are also high in vitamin C, fiber, and various beneficial plant components. These nutrients are responsible for several health benefits. They also aid in digestion, constipation. They reduce gas. They aid bowel movement. Study has shown that drinking lemon water in early in the morning on empty stomach can help improve bowel movement. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and sieve the grated ginger, the grated lemon, and the grated cucumber, which I already added a little bit of warm water into. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the water from the shaft, like remove the water that we really need to drink from the shaft, which is what I am doing right now. You may need to take your time and extract the juice because we need as much juice as we can get. Ta-da! This is the final juice that we've extracted from the grated lemon, grated cucumber, and grated ginger. So this is what I have. It's quite a lot. It's much. It can do it to serve. Now, if you've watched this video up until this point, up until this moment, it means that this video is beneficial to you and you're actually getting value from this video. Please click on the like button to support us, okay, to support me, to support the person that has actually put the time to share this recipe, and also to make sure that others get to see this recipe, so that you won't only be the beneficiary to this great recipe.